What's up, guys? Today, a 2014 Ram 2500. We're changing the crankcase ventilation filter. So that's going to be right under here. There's 4 bolts on each side. They're 8mm. Got a magnet tray, 8mm. You're going to need a deep well. I don't have a deep well, so I'm going to use an 8mm wrench, 8mm socket extension ratchet. So I'm going to pull that off and then get back to you. All right, I got 8 bolts out. Undid this wire in the back. Nothing. Should just come straight off. All right, there's our filter. Here's our new filter. So, looks about right so far. We're gonna try to pull this one off of here. Oh, there you go. Just comes up like that. And gasket and a gasket. Let's go look at this other one. Make sure there's no gaskets anywhere. All right, so gasket. So literally just slap the new one on there and start putting the top back, the cover back on. There it is, back together. Put the new filter in, put the cover back on, put all your bolts in. I went around and snugged them and then went back and tightened them from side to side. Plug my plug back in. Make sure you push this red or it'll fall off. And that's about it. Now just go inside the dash and reset the computer.